cyfle rwan i ni gael dysgu mwy am y cwmnïau ifanc yma sy'n rhoi traed yn y dŵr fel petai yma ar Stondin Cywain. Louise fan hyn sy'n gweithio i Cywain. Be di hanes y cwmnïau yma te?
So mae gennym ni not yn Iaro fyma. Maen nhw wedi symud i Sir Gaerfyrddin ac yn cynhyrchu caws gafr. So mae gennym nhw 3 blas gwahanol. A mae Rachel a Fraser, maen nhw wedi bod wrthi ysbel, ond yn newydd i Gymru.
Wel, croeso i Gymru, Rachel.
Diolch yn fawr.
A ti'n dysgu Cymraeg yn barod?
Dysgwr ydw i.
Gwych, gwych. Sut mae'r busnes yn mynd? How are you finding the business and today here in the Royal Welsh?
Yeah, bendigedig.
Yeah, it's going really well. Yeah. So, we only moved in January and we moved all 300 of our goats to our farm. So we've got 120 acres of grassland, so we've got them all out grazing now, which is great because we just didn't have room before on our old farm. So, we're settling in really well, I think.
So whereabouts are you producing then?
We're in Carmarthenshire, near Llangadog. So we've got the goats and the cheese making all on the farm. We're really loving being part of the Welsh food scene, aren't we? It's really a sort of exciting, vibrant, lots of support, lots of interest in sort of quality food and sort of high quality farming as well. So we're really enjoying it. Yeah.
And this will be your message today, I presume.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. We want to taste the best, then Welsh cheese is the...
So tell me about your cheese then.
So we've got 2 cheeses here. We've got Onan Brightwell here and we've got Bryn Synodon here. So they're both lactic goat's cheeses. This one's matured for about 2 weeks. And here we've got one that's 2 to 4 weeks old. So at the start they're very citrusy, zingy. This one's a bit like kind of clotted cream. This one's a kind of fluffier texture. That's just to do with the way that they're drained. And as they mature, they get kind of a nuttiness developing and just a sort of a more in-depth flavour profile as they get older.
Oh, I'm feeling quite hungry now. Pob lwc heddiw yma.
Diolch.
A phob hwyl efo'r gwersi Cymraeg yn Rhydaman hefyd. Pob lwc i'r rai ohonych chi. Reit, Louise, bwysig gyda ni fan hyn te. Hello, boys.
Hello.
So mae Porthcawl Distillery yn fyma, a maen nhw yn cynhyrchu gin, a dyn nhw'n dweud bach mwy amdano fo.
Yeah, so what's the story?
The story is 2 best friends since we were really small, tiny little distillery down near Porthcawl. Producing small batch gins.
Yeah, some hand-picked botanicals. So we got local forage seaweed and gorse from down West Bay. We do it as a family. We do it from start to finish, ourselves.
So how many different gins have you got here today?
So we've got a range of 4. This is our full lineup. So we've got our Welsh Dry, which is 43%. We won silver in the World Gin Awards with this one and gold in the Gin Guide.
Excellent.
Yes, and then we've got apple and elderflower, rhubarb and ginger and passion fruit.
Which one do you recommend?
Passion fruit, I think. You'll be all over that one, I think. I think you're going to like that one. But it's been good. It's nice for us to sort of see people and sort of showcase the brand. You know, we're a family-run business. We do everything in-house. And it's our first time on the Royal Welsh. So,
have a great day.
Thank
you.
Thank you for coming over.
Thank you very much.
Pob lwc i chi, reit ta. At y mail, da ni'n mynd nesa, Louise.
So dyma sioe cyntaf, Mael Llyn. So dyn ni'n excited iawn i gael nhw yma efo'i branding newydd. Mae Cywain wedi helpu chi cynhyrchu'r brand yma'n do.
Gai siarad Cymraeg rwan. Cyflwynwch, beth ydy'n enw di? Julie. A chdi tha?
Robert.
Rwan ta Robert a Julie. Beth ydy hanes y mail yma ar busnes?
Gŵr a graig, ydyn ni o Penllyn. A nes ti ddechrau cadw gwenyn 9 mlynedd yn ôl.
Ia, be oedd y diddordeb sydd dechreuodd hynny?
Dwi'n licio gwenyn erioed. O'n eisiau cadw nhw gynt, ond oedd y rai cael gadael fi.
Ti dy roi mewn yn diwedd?
Mae'n epi bach o stori hynna oes.
Mae gawn ni hwnna wedyn illa, ia?
Roedd chi fewn i fi tua 9 blynedd yn ôl wedyn. Gys i ddechrau cadw gwenyn.
A pa fath o wenyn ti'n gadw?
Rhai lleol, rhai buckfass a Caucasians, just llwyth o rai gwahanol.
Ie, ac mae hynny'n rhoi bob math o fel gwahanol i ni?
Na, mae mel rhy fath gynnyn nhw i gyd. Just... Yndi. Dim y gwenyn sy'n diseidio beth di'r mel.
Felly pam ydych chi'n dewis cadw gwahanol fatha ta? Be di pwynt hynny ta?
Mae rhai yn cynhyrchu mwy o fel na lleill.
Dwi'n gweld.
Mae rhai mwy dof na lleill. Mae rhai well efo disease na lleill. Mae rhai efo tyfoda hirach na lleill.
Be di'r ffefryn di ta ran y gwenyn?
Buckfass ydy'r ffefryn. maen nhw lot mwy dof. Fedri di agor nhw heb siwt.
Ie, saffach o lawer.
Haws i
Ac yn
weithio
sydyn
efo.
iawn at y cynnyrch rwan ta,
Ie.
be di'r gobeithion ar gyfer heddiw?
Just roed enw ni allan i pobl ac y gweld. Mae hwn yn sioe cyntaf i ni.
Cyfle i bobl flasu?
Ie,
A be fyddi di'n deud wrth pawb pan oedden nhw'n dod yma i flasu? Be di'r lein heddiw ag e?
Dach eisiau trio'r mel?
O ie, iawn. Dwi'n rhaid i werthu rwan, achos mae hyn yn rhan o'r byd yn dod i, ti'n bod, yr hyrwyddo a'r marchnata a'r gwerthu.
Ynddi, sicr. Dwi'n meddwl fydda ni heddiw, mae rhywbeth yn ffarmio, illa fydda ni yn switchad dipyn bach ar y stori yna. A hefyd, just hyrwyddo'r bod ni yn defnyddio y Gymraeg hefyd, dipyn efo'n brandio.
Wel, sioe dda i'r ddau na chi. Braf o'ch gweld chi yma. Pob lwc heddiw yma.
Diolch yn fawr.
Gwych.
Diolch ti.
Diolch.